Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pallavi, and as we know, this is the best time of the year. There are so many festivals coming up. There are events, there are ethnic events, college, office. So many things are on the list right now, and we have to prepare ourselves with a good clothing and makeup. So here today, this is the first haul on this channel, which is from Meesho, and there are many other clothing hauls coming from other brands, other apps. So stay tuned for those videos, and let's start with the Meesho haul. The first outfit you can see is from Maida Kurta set. This is three-piece suit where you have kurta, you have pants, and then there is dupatta. This is white and it has polka dot. It's very pretty, very beautiful, breathing material. This is pure cotton, so it's the most comfortable outfit you can have. This is good for Navratri, Karwa Chauth, Diwali. If you are somebody who do not like heavy clothes and it's difficult for you to carry because you have so much of work, then this is something you can go with. It is so easy. You can wear this and work at the same time. It's not gonna be hassle. So yes, this is you can style it with white and golden jewelries, and the makeup could be minimal, still it will go on. It is available in 3 colors. The one I am wearing is dark red, but there is red also and the royal blue, and I think you should go with the royal blue because I myself want to buy that. It's that pretty, that looks very chic, very elegant, and of course festive appropriate. This costed me 445, which is under 500, and I think it's the most beautiful affordable kurta for festival. So this is something you should definitely check out. The second outfit is one of my favorite outfit out of this haul. This is such a pretty and such lightweight outfit, kurta set. This is two-piece. There is no dupatta in this, but I have styled with dupatta. Okay, so you can go with dupatta or without dupatta. It's still, you still gonna slay. Pants for this kurta, it's like a sharara design. Festive wear में बांधनी print नहीं हो, this is impossible. So this bandhani print I had to buy and I had to wear it. This is such beautiful, I tell you. This is a bit loose to me. I would get it altered, but yes, you definitely need to check this out. And it's the most complementing cloth for you. At the same time, it's lightweight. Okay, I have chosen most of the clothes which is very lightweight for us to carry. Festivals में इतने सारे काम होते हैं, ऑफिस अगर पार्टी में पहना तो भी इतना सारा you have to work. तो उसके लिए you need something which is lightweight to your body, so you can move and you can do other works as well. This is one beautiful. It has 3/4 sleeve. It's a very beautiful golden work on it, which will go with all the jewelries you're gonna carry. And since it is bandi, it has lots of print and work on the kurta. You do not require a very heavy makeup. So that's that. This costed me 445, which is again below 500. And let me tell you, the sizes are going out of stock on Meesho, so you definitely need to grab this before it's out of stock. The third outfit is a very pretty purple kurta set. It has kurta, pant and printed dupatta. Dupatta is to die for. It's a chiffon material dupatta, organza, I would say, organza dupatta with so much of print. It's a very pretty print. And I know not everyone is comfortable wearing red and yellow for the festival, I get it. That's why we need some different colors to experiment with. Kurta and the pant is plain. There is no work to it. Literally no work. It's absolute plain, but not plain like there is no. It has structure. Okay, so that's great. And the pant is very well fitted. It's beautiful. Kurta has a beautiful sweetheart neckline, not a proper sweetheart, but kind of sweetheart neckline. And the dupatta is pretty. It's organza fabric and it has print over it. There is somebody who do not like ethnic wear and it's hard for them to carry. This is something you can go for because kurta and pants are very plain, easy, lightweight, breathable material. It has art silk material, and dupatta is heavy, so it's gonna cover and give you that chic look. At the same time, you looking minimal. If you don't want to look very vibrant, this is something you can go for. It's very minimal look. Style it with some white jewelries or silver jewelries. You are going to slay anywhere you go. Trust me. So, and this costed me 402. Again below 500, and their sizes are available, so you should check this out. It's a very good product for you to wear this festive season and look different, look beautiful. Fourth outfit is, this is the outfit out of this haul you're gonna love, and let me tell you, this cost 1500. Okay, this is the expensive suit out of this haul. ये Pakistani design है, which has the longer sleeves and heavy work around the neck with pura flare and heavy palazzo. So beautiful, the detailing, the work, एवरीथिंग इज प्रिटी. ये ग्रीन कलर में अवेलेबल है. आई हैव नॉट सीन इन एनी अदर कलर. साइजेज आर फ्री साइज एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड इन फ्री साइज. तो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा था तो मुझे उसको ऑल्टर करवाना पड़ा. यू कैन अगेन गेट इट ऑल्टर्ड एंड वो प्रॉपर है, सो ऑल्टरेशन में देयर वोंट बी एनी इश्यूज. उसके पैंट्स एंड कुर्ता में इवन अराउंड द स्लीव्स यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो, it's there are beads attached with that gives this outfit the proper look. This is little heavy, I would say, to carry, but definitely it's something you know, there is no pain no gain wala scene yahan pe, because you have to bear the weight and manage it little bit to look that gorgeous and slaying. And the sound, I definitely want you to hear this sound where you walk, and this chan sound, this khan sound is so good. You walk, people will notice that okay, someone has come, someone has gone. It's that good. The material is Vichitra silk and it has dupatta, it has kurta, and along with the pant is in palazzo size. Of course, as I mentioned, Pakistani style mein hai, so you know how Pakistani suit looks like. So I had to include one of that kind of style in this video because many people prefer that. So yeah, this is a very pretty kurta and I definitely love it. I have it. Agar kisi festival mein jaoge, look absolutely you'll stand out in this function if you wear this. So yeah, check this out. This is expensive but this is beautiful. This is the last outfit of the haul and the most affordable and beautiful one which I am wearing. You can see that's right here. This costed me 338 rupees to be precise. This is the most cheapest outfit of this haul, but I love this. That's why I'm wearing it. It's available in all the sizes from small to XL, double XL. I am wearing small size and still loose for me, so I have to get it altered. And this is in, I would say, sky blue, powder blue color, powder blue with this white work over here. It's a thread work, so it's not print, it's a thread work. So you know thread work is something very good. Prints nikalne ka dar hota hai, but thread work will remain over there and it looks very classy because thread works I prefer. I think it looks very classy, that's why I like wearing it. It's very appropriate for your office events, college events, any day-to-day events, day events. This is really perfect. You can have a normal makeup and some light jewelries and you're gonna slay this outfit. It has a closed neckline which is round but closed, and you can see here there are many detailings on the neck. The pant is very pretty. Pants का जो नीचे का style है is very on the bottom side, बहुत सुंदर है. There is cut to it, so it's very pretty. You should check this because this is one of the most affordable outfit. If you want to gift somebody, you want to wear it, definitely go for it. It's pretty, it's beautiful. And this haul you will see ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा outfits मैंने ऐसा लिया जो लाइट वेट है, मटेरियल अच्छा है, कॉटन है, ब्रीदेबल फैब्रिक हो, आप पहन के यू कैन डू ऑल द वर्क ऑल्सो. कॉलेज ऑफिस कहीं भी जाना है वो कर सकते हैं. आई एम ऑफिस गोइंग गर्ल, आई नीड समथिंग विच आई कैन वेयर एंड वर्क एट द सेम टाइम. आई बॉट ऑल दिस ड्यूरिंग द सेल, सो द प्राइसेस वर इवन बेटर. सो डू चेक दिस थिंग्स आउट बिफोर इट गेट्स आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. And yeah, slay the festive season and let me know which one you like the most, what other hauls you want me to do, what other the kinds of outfits, which brand you want me to discover, and I shall do that for you. At the same time, haul videos coming up on the channel. Please stay tuned so you know which one you should be going for, or that's mostly going to be ethnic these days because this is festive. Later on let me know what you want me to review and I shall do that for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.